guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to cover another section in the spring makeover series. Today I want to talk about art, and in my opinion art is one of the best ways that you can personalize your space. They can be family photos, they can be original paintings, you can even make stuff yourself. It's so easy. So as you can see, I'm over here by my couch and my two end tables, and this is nice, but I want to add my own little personal touch to this area. So let me show you some of the things that I have. I have a couple of these skinny photos. Now, here is an interesting way to do art. These two pieces actually complement each other. They're the exact same size and the prints are pretty much the same, but let me tell you what I did. This art piece right here is just a poster. It is a poster that I got from Amazon and I framed it. And then this painting right here is actually a custom painting by an artist. Her name is Cindy Landi. I will leave a link to her Facebook page. On these spaces on my wall right here, I have enough room to put these skinny photos right here. But I had a hard time after I bought this one finding a matching piece. So that is why I had this one done. So this art piece is going to be hanging on the wall right here. Now why I chose to go with this size of a painting was because it fit the space, it was not going to be covered by my lamps, and I would have picked to do an art piece like this. It doesn't really fill up the space enough like I would like it to. I put this piece over here and I placed it on this wall. Now do you see how that balances out the space, and it added my own personal touch to this area. Now let me show you something that you might not have thought about. Let's go. Alright, so over here, I made this crane a couple years ago. Let me show you this. It's above my bed. As you can see, down here is my headboard. Right here, I just have a woven throw hanging from this, and this is a blanket crane. I was able to hang this throw over here. This is a good idea if you have quilts or baby blankets from your childhood, or things that mean something to you. You can display them on the wall as art. Now let me show you something if you want it to be a little bit more transitional and not stuck to a specific theme. Alright, so now we are on a completely blank wall. You've seen this wall before. This is where I put my Christmas wreath, and those pine cones, you remember those pine cones, don't you? Yeah. Well, I want to do a little display, but I don't want it to be set to a specific theme. I want it to be something that I don't have to change it out every time I change my decorations. So here was my plan. If I take a mirror, I'm sorry if this blinds you, and I hang this on the wall, what that will do for me is it will give me a decorative piece on the wall, but it's not a specific image. It changes with your decor. I have a couple of these candle holders. These are tin. And all I'm gonna do is hang these on each side of the mirror. As I said, it can be transitional. This doesn't go with a specific theme. It's a mirror. Alright guys, so I hope you liked this video. Make sure you come back for the next one. It is going to be on lighting. Why is it important? How can we use it decoratively? And what can it do for our space? Just a little side note, if this outfit looks familiar, it's the same day. I just showed you how to do this. That's the magic of video editing. Alright, so if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe down below. Share this with your friends. Everybody needs to decorate their space. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.